Let's start with the biggest one, right? We've got Facebook, and
Yep.
obviously the way that it works, so you've got Google, number one site in the
Yep.
world, YouTube, number two, Facebook, number three. And in each of those, they're all search engines in their own way, right?
Yep.
Facebook is your social network, but at the same time, people might be looking for a specific product you're putting out, things like that. So it behooves you first off to have a fully completed profile. So the first question I've got for you is, have you gone in lately, because Facebook's always changing it, have you gone in and looked at if you filled out every single field that Facebook asks for?
No, I have. I
Okay.
have a personal Facebook, and my husband runs the business Facebook. But
Mm-hmm.
personally, I like to keep them separate. It, so,
Yep.
but I
As you should.
I will check that with him if it's a fully completed profile, and if not, do it.
And I'll tell you, just looking at this, right? So
Yep.
I'm sure there's more fields that we can fill out. You've got the website, the phone number, the email, and then the about is, you have more characters than that. So there's got to be more information you can fill in. And even here, this is something where we want to pop in more. Like, I had asked you a question for a reason. What are the top sellers? We can go in there and
Yep.
change up. Hey, our top sellers right now are XYZ. Not only are those posts or videos you can put up, they're also, it's content that you can put in the about us section as well. So definitely take a look. um, that's something where you have such seasonality, whether it's
Yeah. Yeah.
holidays, whether it's the seasons. You want to be constantly updating this stuff to show that you're on top of your trends. If you've got the database of 800,000 products, show that you know it, not that you're sitting on some database, right? So
Right.
that would be number one for me.